Hello, I am Krishna Khatri, and in this video, I will be presenting my mobile web application development portfolio assignment. So, for this project, I have developed a mobile quiz application using Android Studio. The application will allow users to select a quiz category, answer randomly generated questions, and view their score along with the leaderboard system. So for this, I have created used my Java language in the backend and XML for the front end interface. So I use this Android Studio as the main development environment, and the app follows an object-oriented structure where different classes handle specific responsibilities such as question management, logic, and score handling. So I have also created some wireframes before creating my final design. So like here are my wireframe designs. So this is my main screen which lands directly after opening the app. This is the main screen. So this is my wireframe. I have used Figma website to create all the wireframes. So here is my wireframe for main screen. Here is my wireframe for quiz screen. Here is the wireframe for review screen. And here is the wireframe for school screen, which I have also inserted in my document. So for wireframes, I have used Figma, and this is the main application here. So for the main application, I have used on the phone is Pixel 6, Google Pixel 6. We can use any of the phone, but I have preferred Google Pixel 6. It's not a, it's like same for every Android devices. It's not in every Android devices. So let me run the code which I have created. I have created a separate classes for each thing. So like it looks standard and easy. So let me run the code. After running the code, it will open my quiz app. Yeah, it's opening. So here is the main screen of the application. The user can select it between the two quiz categories, either software engineering or data structure. So there is option to view this high score as well. Like if anybody, I have already got the quiz, so I can see my high scores and scores leaderboard here. So let me go to home. So let me show you the quiz screen. Like if I select the software engineering quiz, and what is core value of the agile manifesto? So this is the questions one. The questions are generated randomly. Just select my answer. So I guess let's just go with the selection of answers. Which model followed the agile model? This pattern uses only one singleton, which is good. I have made some mistakes as well, so the scores will be around 7 to 10. Class diagram, yep. White box texting as the system development life cycle. Primary SRS, uh, correct. Yep. Just submit. You said I'll have one made on like request box where you can I still want to submit. Like if person mistakenly click submit, so if they don't want to submit or they want to either something back, they can do that. So yes, I'll click yes because I want to submit. Yep. Yep. This score is 9. I intentionally do one wrong, so it's like okay. My score is 9, so I can save my score here. I can save my score by I should enter my name. Krishna. Krishna. Krishna Khatri. Save score. Yeah, look, I can see myself in the leaderboard. So my name is saved in the leaderboard as well here. So Krishna here. Like every name is saved in the leaderboard screen. So how much score I got here? So let's go to the home. Excellent. It's a gold medal. Excellent. You are a master of the topic. Home. So I can view the high score leaderboard as well. Like the last time I have scored 9 of 10. Then before it's 10 of 10, and it's in the software engineering, and this one is in data structure. So it's a different uh, topic, so different answers. I have organized this like everything in a project using multiple Java classes, so the each part of the application has a clear responsibility. This made the app easier to build, understand, and manage. So first, I created the main activity, which act as the home screen of the application. In this class, I allow the user to choose between the two quiz categories: software engineering or data structure. I also include a button to open the score screen. So when the user selects a category, I use an intent to move to the quiz activity and set the selected category as extra data. So here is the button I have created. Button software quiz. Click on the listen. Click listener. Here. In this code, when the software engineering button is clicked, the apps open the quiz screen and passes the selected category. I use the same logic for the data structure category. So now next I created the questions class. This class is used to represent the each quiz questions as an object instead of writing questions directly inside the activity. I store each questions with its category, question text, and four answer choices, correct answer, and feedback. This made the data much easier to organize. Just to manage the quiz content, I created the quiz data. So I stored the quiz questions in two separate array lists, collection for software engineering and one for the data structure. This matches matches my assignment requirements of having different quiz categories. The main quiz logic happens inside the quiz activity. This is the most important part of my application because it handles the questions loading, randomization, answer tracking, navigation, and final score calculations. So there are different other Java classes as well, which I have created for score activity, the score activities, so the score activity, so the score adapter, and so the score rakers. So these are all the Java classes I have created in here. So I have also faced a lot of challenges and problems during my coding. So one of my main challenges I faced was implementing random question selection while still keeping track of the answers correctly. Like you can see, when I go back and select the software engineering questions, like the first question is different than of the previous one. The previous one, the first question was different, and for this one, the question is randomly selected. So for creating this one, because I use the collection that shuffle question list, the question order changes every time the quiz, every time we start the quiz. So I can show you here. Where is my collection shuffle list? Mm, Yep, you can get from the here like I have made the collection shuffle question list, which will randomize the every time we select new questions. So that's the problem I have. Uh, Another challenge I faced was preserving the user selected answer when navigating between previous and next question. So like I have select one, go here and back. So it's selected. So I have to store the keep record of the every single questions answered that user have selected. So that was also a problem I have faced during the my coding process. So these are some sort of challenges I faced during the coding and how I overcome them. So this project have helped me improving my understanding of mobile development application. I developed skills in UI designs, activity navigation, data handling, and creating wireframes, turning them into the work application. Helped me understand the importance of planning and iterative development. Overall, this was a very valuable learning experience that improved my both technical and problem solving skills. In conclusion, my application successfully met the requirements of the application, including the category selection, random question, scoring, feedback, and later functionality. In the future, I will improve application by adding some more questions, more user interface animation, and more quiz category. And that's all for now. Thank you.